I just received this glow to go packaging, which is the House Cosmetic and Marsha Milan's collab, and yeah, let's create the glow to go look. I'm gonna record this in the car because it's glow to go. It's very travel friendly. Just look at the packaging, it's super duper colorful. First up is the Cera cleanser stick. I really love how it moisturizes and purifies as a makeup remover. Is this Cera moist stick. Look at how adorable the box is. This is supposed to give you deep hydration and also repair your skin barrier. I like to blend it even better with my fingers. Next up is the Ceramide sunscreen stick, SPF 50 PA++, and it has UV protection, plus it gives you glow. You see that? Yeah, once again, blending it with my fingers. I've heard a lot about this House Cosmetic Magic Pinky Powder Foundation, and I just got my hands on it, and it says it has SPF 20 as well. Oh my god, look at the packaging, it's so cute. This is my skin close-up in one swipe. Oh my god, did you guys just saw that? Now that all of my acne scars are gone, now let's add some colors to my face. I have two of Cera Glow's blush stick. So this is in the Peach of Mine and the Pinky Promise. I've seen many people try to put these on the powder, so let's see how this formula works. One swipe above it. I mean, did I just create a beautiful shade? And look at that pigment. Let's apply this on my eyes and my lips. Now that's my finished look.